Hey, I'm Javed. I'm a software engineer with 10 plus years of experience. I'm sharing my experiences of coding, what I'm building, and how I'm working out in gym. All that. This video is about what I do in 5 to 9, okay, what keeps me excited. Let's get a small understanding of thought which I have. Look, I don't want to be a consumer but a creator, okay? That's my main goal. Look, now I'm creating stuff because I want to develop something. It could be a software or maybe this video, or I do photography, cinematography. I want to basically create stuff. Coming to that one, why I do software engineering, okay? There are so many problems around myself where I see where I can develop a software for it, okay? That problem can be solved by a software. So basically what I do is I develop software for myself. For example, whenever I shift a company, I see that going through line by line code of a code base is really difficult, and it's very difficult to see how the connections are happening, how the code is flowing. So to solve that one, what I did was I wipe coded one code visualizer, like a mind map, okay? So now that helps me to see how the code flow is happening, like what is the starting point, how it is going. That is solving a particular problem which I have. I don't know others are facing it or not, but I believe that if you start developing things for yourself, not only software but anything for yourself, one or the other people will find it useful, right? So you're not alone in this world. You are unique, but you might have the same problems as others. So if you solve for yourself, that might help even one person. So that's worth doing it, right? So that's what I am doing. Like now I'm working on a terminal. I'll make a video about that one, but I'm making a tool, or I'm making another terminal for myself, like why I'm facing that issue, like how I'm solving that problem with the software engineering. Since it's my day job, since it's my profession, I'm using to solve my own problems. I do have a 9 to 5 job, okay, where I sell my services as a software engineer. I solve others' problem, but during my 5 to 9, I also try to build stuff for myself. It might be a video. This is like a journal for me, okay? So whenever I see it, I feel happy. So that's why I'm creating this video. I know that this might be helpful to you and it might be helpful to others, and I'm happy for that. But the video which I'm making is to get a clarity for myself, okay? So that's why I'm making this video. It shouldn't be money, it shouldn't be other intention. So if you try to solve problems for yourself, eventually somebody will find it useful and they'll start paying you, okay? So first, don't think about money or the quality. Try to solve the problems which you have in any domain. Mine is software engineering, that's fine, but you might be in a different professions, okay? So see if you can solve problem for yourself. Greatest companies in this world are built by this ideology. Many people went viral because of this ideology. You have to be very genuine to yourself. You need to know what issues you're facing. You need to know how to solve them. Even if you don't know, figure it out. You can figure it out. In this era of AI, just go and tell that this is the issue I'm facing, how can I solve this one, what are the technologies I can use, or how I can do this using your profession. Like that, you can easily figure it out nowadays. So that's the reason, that's the reason I code, that's the reason I am building stuff, that's the reason I work a lot, even my 5 to 9 time. Not only during the job hours 9 to 5, but in my off time also, like 5 to 9, I'll be working out, I'll be doing photography, video editing or video recording, coding, building side projects, or learning new tech stack, like that. It keeps me motivated, okay? And it also helps me to build a lot of new stuff which I can tell that, okay, I made this one, okay? So I'm not only a consumer but also a creator in this world. So that's the ideology. I hope this helps you. Thank you.